Okay, so it's February 15th, and this flip video is it's a brand new unit. It's Unit 8. We're going to skip a unit. We're going to go to Unit 8, and it's going to be looking at fractions. And for this first one, it's relatively simple in the sense where you just kind of need to know the difference between what is equal and what is not equal. So as you can see, I have several shapes here with two category boxes, right? I'm just going to ask the question, if I look at this square here, are these two pieces, the line here is cut in half, are these two pieces equal? Now, equal means they have to be exactly the same dimensions, same height, same length. It does not mean same color. Okay. Now, I'm looking at this, yes, this piece here and this piece are equal. Let's go in the equal box here. Let's look at this purple one here. This rectangle is cut in half. And same height and length all around. These two pieces are both equal. But look at the circle. Here's a good example of something that's not equal, right? We have a much smaller piece here compared to large. That line going through that circle is not equal. This square, same idea. This strip is much shorter or thinner than this block here. It's not equal. This circle is equal. It's cut into halves, and we're going to talk about that in a second. It's cut into halves. And then we have this another rectangle here, which is much shorter. Oh, sorry, that should go here. That should go here, and this should go here, sorry. And this one here is not equal. It would go way over here. So we have our equal shapes, and we have our not equal shapes. All right, pretty easy. If we look here, a couple things we're going to talk about is making a half is one idea. A couple concepts we need to know. So I'm going to change this here. Half. Another idea is a quarter. Another idea is we'll probably go third. And we might do a fifth. And so now we're going to do this here. Half, quarter, third, fifth. So I'm going to draw a line here. Let me see. I'll probably use this shape here. So I'm going to just simply draw a line that will go across. This would be an example of a half. Okay? This is cut in half. If I want to look at quarters, again, go back to our last unit of money, think of what a quarter is, right? 4 would make a whole. 4 quarters would make a loonie. So what I would do is just simply, whoops, kind of sloppy, but draw a line going down across and then going down across like that. Okay? If I can move this over a bit for you. And there you go. So this would be an example of something that is divided into or cut into quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Thirds is another example. In thirds, I want 3 pieces. Again, they have to be equal. So I'm not going to cut this one down the center because that'll be in halves. So thirds are always kind of tricky, kind of sloppy there. Let me redo that. See if I can redo that. There we go. Yeah, so thirds, we're going to go straight down. That's not even a good one either. Give me one sec. All right, so here goes. So when I go thirds, I probably want to go right around here, straight down, and then here, straight down. You'll be using a ruler tomorrow and so on, but I want to make sure these 3 pieces are equal. Here, okay, so fifths. When we look at fifths, that's always a tricky one because you can't really do fifths well with certain shapes. Okay, and pentagon, you can do fifths well. Circle, you can kind of do a fifth. Let me see if I can do a circle here. But same idea. You want to, so I got 1. Why I do a fifth here? It's going to go 2. Here's my 2, and then I want to go like this. 3, 4, 5. part in the sloppiness. But 1, 2, 3, 4. So just imagine those are straight lines like you will tomorrow. That would be an example of a fifth. Okay, so a half, a quarter, thirds, and fifths. And again, tomorrow's work, we're going to talk about equal parts, equal and not equal, as well as you could be using a ruler and a pencil to divide some shapes into halves, quarter, thirds, and fifths. Okay, so take some time, review this, and have a great night.